What do you think? You want to try that? You want to blow? Blow. 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 Go ahead. See if you can do it. Go ahead. You can do it. That's it. Oh, very good. Good blow. You did blow, didn't you? Wow. You'll get it. No, you don't like that tune? You want another tune? Are you done with this? Yeah. What else do you want to do? You want to look at the cow? How about this cow? Look at this cow. This cow makes all different kinds of noises. Press the button. Press that button. Yeah. Wow, huh? Now if you put it over here, put it in that second one, and when you press this one, this is a cow. What does a cow say? What's a cow say? Moo!
Hi there! What cow?
Moo! Cow. What's a rooster say?
Rooster!
And how about a doggy? What's a doggy say? Yeah. And how about a horse? And what's this guy? And a duck. How about a duck?
Duck!
How about that puppy? You want to do the puppy again?
Duck!
Oh, you did the duck, huh? Do the puppy. Here. And how about the horse? What's the horse say? See the horse? Press the horse. You have such pretty blue eyes. And that little ear. Oh, wow. What's this guy? Who's that? Is this the cow? Is this the cow? Press the cow. You want to press the cow? You want that harmonica again? You want that? Okay. Very good. Blow on it. Bye-bye. What else? What else can we look at? I know what we can look at. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. We should get you down on the floor so you can play. You want this? There you go.
Duck.
You want to play with the blocks? We can get down on the floor and play with the blocks.
Let's play.
Press
Press the button.
the button. Press the button. There's the cat.
Cat.
And here's the duck.
Duck. Hi there. Let's learn about farm animals. Duck.
Quack, quack. And okay, we can go play with the blocks. You want to do that? See, you pile them up like that. These blocks are good for piling. See?
Play again soon.
Oh, you like to eat them, huh? Are you hungry? Did your mom not feed you? She just stuck you down in baggage and she hasn't fed you since then? They don't feed you in baggage, do they? Aw. You know where that one goes? That one goes right here. You can put it right there. You can put it right there. See this? Watch. Goes right through that hole. Or we can put the cow up here and he can talk to you. Okay, I'm going to shut the camera off now, okay? Okay, say bye-bye. Bye, Amelia. Hi, baby. One last smile, come on. One last smile. There you go. There you go. That's a nice smile. It's hard to pick up things with that cast on, isn't it? Your little thumb gets stuck on the side there. Oh. Come here, you want to try it with your right hand? Try it with your right hand. There you go. Oh, there you go. Are you a lefty? You keep putting things into your left hand. And then, oh, are you going to eat that? Doesn't taste that good, does it? No, we're going to talk. Maybe, okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Pretty.